Welcome to this Matrikon tutorial video. My name is Roger and I'll be walking you through how to map a structure element to a variable node using Matrikon Data Broker. Let's begin with what is a structure. A structure, in OPC UA terms, is an item that contains parameters or elements underneath it. For example, if we take a person as the item, the elements that are specific to that person could be name, age and height. Of course, there could be more elements if required. A structure enables element data to be neatly contained within it. Structures are a great feature of OPC UA, but what if your software doesn't support structures? How do you access the data that you require? Maybe you only want a couple of elements from a structure. Matrikon Data Broker from version 2.4.1 onwards supports mapping from structure elements. This VM has Matrikon Data Broker and Matrikon UA Explorer installed. I have also installed a third-party OPC UA server that has simulated structures. I'm going to show you how to map data from structure elements in the third-party UA server to variable nodes in the simulation server that is built into Data Broker. I've already connected Data Broker and logged in as the admin user. I've also defined a data source in Data Broker for the third-party UA server. For guidance on configuring federated data sources, click on the link above to go to the video on adding data sources in MDB. Click on the Data Modeling button. I'm going to be mapping two items today. For those of you who want to map a large number of items, click above to check out our video on bulk data mapping. Click Data Mapping. On the left-hand side, browse for the structure in your UA server. For this exercise, I'll use structure. On the right-hand side, browse for the variable nodes you want to map the data to. I'm going to map to the built-in simulator. We can see that the structure has two elements, low and high. I want to map these structure elements to simulator variable nodes. We need to be careful to match data types of the source and destination nodes to avoid mismatch errors. I'll map low, which is a double, to the double node in the simulator. Then click the Map button. I'm going to rename the instance to Structure Low. Click Add to Queue. I'll now map Structure High, which we can see is also a double data type. In this case, I do not have another double that I can map to in the simulator. For this exercise, we'll use float. Be aware that the precision of these data types is different, so there will be a point where the number coming from the double will be too high to insert into the float. We'll be using small numbers for this demo, so it will be fine for this example. Click on Map. I'll rename this to Structure High. Click Add to Queue. You can see I have two pending mappings. I need to select these and commit them. When done, we can go back to the data mapping dashboard to confirm the mappings are active. Let's go back to the data view now to see if our mappings were successful. Browse to locate the source UA server structure. Then add by dragging and dropping on the data view window. Do the same for the destination variable nodes. We can see here that the data from the structure items has been successfully mapped to our nodes. Let's open the source structure and modify a value in one of the elements. Notice how the value changes in the mapped variable node as well.
Thank you for watching this Matrikon tutorial video. If you found this information useful and want to see more of this type of content, smash that like button and leave a comment in the page below. Don't forget to subscribe to this Matrikon Videos channel for more tutorials and other related videos, and ring the bell to get updates on new content.